we are gonna we are going to learn how to edit a photo and resize it for internet upload. And if we have the picture, we are supposed to take a shot of the picture in different directions. So I have like up to 4 pictures if we want to upload on the site, so as to make the customers that are going to buy your product, or anybody that is looking at your product, so the person will get a clear view of what they want to purchase. Like this here is the back cover of the product. This one is the front cover. This one is the downside, so you can see what is inside here. It will be clear to you that here is what is inside is a floor. Yeah. So this is the product we are gonna edit and resize. The size of the product here is the size of this picture here is 400 MB already, and it has 997 by 748. But the size we have here, the size we need here is 300 by 400. By 400. Yeah. Sorry. 100 by 400 by 300. The width and the height. This is the size we need here. So, but if you don't have this kind of edit on your device, there's another way. So we can make use of a tool. But first of all, you have to have these pictures so that you will be able to make so that your client or your customer looking at your product online will be able to read out what is here: homemade both front puff mix. At the end, it has a description here: net weight of 24.70 OS. That's equivalent of 700 grams. They have natural ingredients. Just add water. There's also a description. So here now, we are gonna go straight to the tools we need for this. So the tools is online here, because most of people here are making use of Windows. So even if you don't have the software, you just connect your internet and search Adobe Express. Maybe you write it Adobe Express.com. So let's wait for it to load. Once it opens, you will see this background here. They have 30 days free trial and get Adobe Express free. You still have to log in. There is a login options, and here now, I think this account is logged in already. So You see this button, app switcher. Inside this app switcher, you see all the tools you can make use of. Adobe Express, Adobe Firefly, Acrobat, Photoshop, Lightroom, Stock, Adobe Acrobat Signs, fonts, Behance, you know. So they have more tools too. So you go to Adobe Express free. You can download the software on Apple or Play Store if you are making use of your phone. But we are gonna talk about how to download and use mobile phone on. So it's about people that are making use of PC, laptops or computer desk. Yeah. So we choose Adobe Express free. So let's saying getting everything ready, starting up. So here we'll have this is the editing background. Here we'll have an option here, resize, and this is premium. This option now has a crown on it. That's is premium. You have to subscribe on this website to be able to make use of these functions. But about the website and the pictures you take, I have found out that you don't need to resize the picture anymore. What you have to do is to get a good picture, know the difference of the age of the background of a product you want to upload. So when you are taking a picture, you take a picture and make a free space, a little free space on the product. So make sure the product is set on a good desk, or anywhere you dropped it. Make sure there is a space, enough space for that, so that you can be able to take a good picture, and let the item be at the center of your picture, of your photo, so that the website will be able to resize or take the amount of view of the product they want. So you have to make sure the picture, even if the product has to cover the whole screen of your phone, if you're making use of phone to take the picture, but just leave a little space around the product, around the object you are taking shot on. So here now, let's go to let's remove the background. After removing the background, if you upload the picture on the website, you don't need to cut it or crop it or resize it. The site will automatically reduce reduce the size they want. But if you have the tools for resizing the picture, you make use of it. All we need is height is 300, and width is 400, something like that. So here, let's get the background. Let's remove the picture background, upload. You go to upload. It will take you down to your device, your computer. You look for the picture you want. You look where you find where your picture is, the picture you want to edit. This is the 3 pictures. So let's see if we can take the 3 pictures at once. Here, there is no option to take them at once, so you choose one, you open it to load on the website. So it's on here already. So let's wait for it to upload. Finish. It has uploaded. This is what I'm saying. On this picture now, you see that